Hello and thank you for watching. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. I'm here to create videos for you to help you understand QuickBooks slightly better than you currently do. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them in the chat box. Thank you. In this video, I want to talk to you about entering accounts and opening balances. Let me start by taking you to the chart of accounts. To get there, we'll go to Accounting and then Chart of Accounts. I'm going to start by selecting New in the upper right-hand corner. I'm then going to select Bank, Save Under, Bank Accounts, Tax Form is Checking. Tax Form doesn't actually matter. We'll call it Checking Number 2 because we're just that creative. Down here, it says Enter a starting date and an opening balance. I strongly discourage you from doing this. What that's going to do is set it up in opening balance equity. And I would much rather you had a firm understanding of where you're putting stuff and what your opening balances are. So in this case, I wouldn't enter anything and I would just select Save. I would then be able to go to my register. If I'm entering an opening balance, I'd select the drop-down, pick a deposit, enter the amount of my deposit, and then for my account, where did the money come from? Well, if you had a trial balance or historical data, you would be entering from the trial balance. But if you're maybe you're a sole proprietor and you're entering this from the bank statement and you didn't have any previous records, then I would just simply enter it as owner's contribution. This money came from the bank of whomever. So if it was my business, I would say this came from the bank of Rachel. I don't have old data. I don't have old records. And I'm just going to click Save. When I see it on the balance sheet, it's going to show up as an increase to my bank account. So here, checking number 2, $100. Down here, owner's contribution, $120. If I click on the $120, I'll change my date range. You can see that I previously added $20 and I've added the $100. Every time the money comes from the bank of me, this is all I'm going to do. I'm just going to record it as an owner's contribution. Let's imagine that you're coming from a different accounting system and that you have actual records. What I would do then instead is I would grab the trial balance and I would enter it as a journal entry. So let me show you what the trial balance looks like, just in case you've seen it but didn't know this is what it was. This is the trial balance. It's a collection of accounts with debits and credits. To enter your trial balance into QuickBooks, you're going to go to Plus New in the upper right-hand corner. You'll go to Journal Entry on the right. You'll enter the date as you see it on the trial balance, and you would enter all the information as you see it on the trial balance. I'm going to go ahead and click Cancel. When I do that, for example, you can see the checking account has money, the checking at TD is overdrawn, petty cash has 0. As you look through all this, you're not going to see the one-to-one relationship like you saw a moment ago for me entering from scratch. If you have existing records, the history of those records, it's all consolidated into the trial balance. If you don't have existing records, well, now you know how to enter it for the very first time. If you have a situation that's different or unique, please don't hesitate to reach out. Let myself or my team help you get set up with your QuickBooks Online. You can find us at gentlefrog.com. Thank you so much and have a great day.